Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall Adobe Photoshop Elements or Premiere Elements. Type Adobe CC Cleaner tool in browser search bar. Click Use the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Click Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Select your language. Type Y to accept agreements. Select which products to be uninstalled. Select Fix Host File or Clean All. Press Y to confirm remove selected product. Creative Cloud Cleaner tool completed successfully. Click Enter key to exit CC tool. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.